Have you ever wondered what happens inside a cell? Imagine that a cell is actually a busy restaurant.
A cell is like a busy restaurant. Every part has a special job, and all the parts must work together to keep the cell functioning. The nucleus is like the restaurant manager. It contains DNA, the instructions that control the cell's activities. Without the nucleus, the cell would not know how to grow. The nucleolus is a special area inside the nucleus that helps make ribosomes. Ribosomes are needed to produce proteins, so the nucleolus helps keep protein production running. The cell membrane works like the restaurant entrance and security team. It controls what may enter and leave. It protects the cell and helps maintain a safe and balanced environment. The cytoplasm is like the restaurant's working area. It holds the cell parts and provides space for many important activities. It provides the environment needed for the organelles to perform their jobs. Mitochondria are like the restaurant's power generators. They release energy from food that the cell can use. This energy powers the activities needed for the cell to survive. Ribosomes are like the chefs of the cell restaurant. They combine materials to make proteins. Proteins are needed for growth, repair, enzymes, and many cell activities. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is like a restaurant preparation line. Ribosomes attached to it produce proteins that are prepared for transport. It helps proteins move efficiently through the cell. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum prepares lipids and helps process harmful chemicals. Lipids are important for cell membranes, while detoxification helps protect the cell. The Golgi apparatus is like the restaurant's packaging counter. It prepares, labels, and organizes products before they are delivered. It makes sure important materials are sent to the correct destination. Vesicles are like food delivery riders. They carry packaged materials to different locations. They allow important substances to reach the places where they are needed. Lysosomes are like the restaurant's cleanup crew. They break down waste and worn-out materials. They prevent waste from building up and help keep the cell clean. Peroxisomes are like the restaurant's chemical safety team. They help break down harmful substances. They protect the cell from chemical damage. The vacuole is like the restaurant's storage room. It keeps water, nutrients, and other materials until they are needed. In plant cells, the large central vacuole. The cytoskeleton is like the restaurant's framework and pathways. It supports the cell and helps organize movement inside it. It helps the cell maintain its shape and keeps its parts organized. The cell wall is like the strong outer wall of a restaurant building. It gives plant cells extra support and protection and prevents them from bursting easily. Chloroplasts are like solar-powered kitchens. They capture sunlight and use it to help plants make their own food. They provide food for the plant and help release oxygen into the environment. Centrioles are like expansion coordinators. They help organize the cell when it prepares to divide. They help make sure cell division happens properly. Cilia are like tiny moving brushes. They can help move a cell or push materials across its surface. They help certain cells move substances efficiently. A flagellum works like a propeller. Its movement pushes certain cells through their environment. It allows specialized cells to travel from one place to another. Cell parts work together to provide energy, make proteins, remove wastes, store materials, protect the cell, and control its activities. Their teamwork makes life possible.
Just like in a busy restaurant, every cell part has an important job. When all these parts work together, they keep the cell alive and healthy.